Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your webcam keeps turning on and off again on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So assuming that it's an external camera, meaning it plugs into a USB port, that's going to be the first method we're going to go through in today's video. So in order to go about resolving it, just open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to double click on the Universal Serial Bus Controller section at the bottom, and then double click on each one of these items one at a time. And if there is a Power Management tab, click on it. So just again, like I said, go through each one of them, and if there's a Power Management tab for any one of them, make sure it's unchecked versus allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So make sure there is no check mark and it's just a blank square. And then select OK. Again, specifically if you made any changes, but you can see we didn't have to because I already done a tutorial that I've turned all this stuff off. But normally this would be check marked, so I've unchecked these already. So just go through it here. And you might have different names for some of yours. It doesn't really matter as long as it's under the USB controller section. You want to go ahead and just make sure that it is unchecked or unselected. And then once you know what that, close out of here, restart your computer, see if that has resolved the problem. One further thing you can try here, if you open up the Start menu and type in Camera, best match should come back with a Camera app. Go ahead and right click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down here, and where it says reset, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select the reset button. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And once you're done with that, close out of here and go and restart your computer. Okay, so our computer is back from restart, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.